What is up guys, Red Dagger here again with another Call of Duty mobile video. Today we are going to be performing a race in the blackout map. So we are going straight to train station because we can spawn vehicles there. If you don't know how, I'll show you now. Okay, so currently we are with Blue Dagger, please say hi.
Hello there.
And with Raven.
Hi.
Are you all down?
Yeah, I think not.
Are you all at train station?
Yeah. No, we are not at plane station. We are at
Train station. Here. Somebody is here. Just follow me out. Don't kill, huh?
Yeah.
Just drop your guns. Drop your guns and drop all of your ammunition.
Okay, I'm at the some
Okay,
train
later.
station spawn.
It's still on your back. Okay, fine. Even I'll take some guns.
I thought this thing was.
Kristen, you're also No, what is your name? Raven, you're also here, right?
Yep.
Then
Drag
please come out
mission is
front.
see.
Yes.
Something over
I
here.
know. That is how you spawn the vehicle.
View
Okay,
action.
anyway.
Oh, what a good car.
All of y'all go to the guy over there.
Who's this on the
That guy,
bus?
that fellow next to the bus. That fellow will give you the mission. So basically, just click on it and
Hey.
click on accept mission.
Who killed me? Tatek's hitting me.
Are just stop fighting you two, and just click on accept
Let them
mission.
move.
Just
now-
click on accept mission.
No.
Get supplied at reverse.
And now it is going to spawn a vehicle. Did it spawn a vehicle?
Yup.
Yeah. Get in the vehicle and wait. Yeah. Spawn all your vehicles, guys. Yeah.
Where
One
do we
second.
have to go? Where's the map showing?
1 second. Yeah. I'll just
Come on,
spawn
come
my
outside,
vehicle.
come
Wait.
outside.
No.
Don't stay in
From.
there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Come outside first. We'll come outside. Yeah. Here. On the road. Stand together. I mean. Okay. Kristen, not behind me. Next to me.
I'm not
Okay.
very good at driving.
Oh my lord. Okay. So we are gonna drive straight to lighthouse.
Wait,
okay?
don't start.
Mark
Is that symbol
lighthouse.
that's showing over there?
No,
Is that symbol
lighthouse.
that's showing over there?
Where is Aaron? I can't see because of you.
Lighthouse.
Where is it? Okay, cool.
Okay, so guys, 1 second. Raven, just come a little bit in
How
the
do you
front
see-
because we are not in line right now.
How do you see where to go?
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
There are so many vehicle noises. Wait, did I? Oh shit!
No!
Oh no!
Oh hell.
Oh no! Oh no! Can you? Oh shit! Why is it like this? Okay, yeah. I'm back on track. Where is Blue Dagger? Oh shit! No! Yeah, I nearly missed you back.
Let's go.
So I got to come here, right?
How
Blue
do you
Dagger, I
reach-
wonder if you're
How do
cheating,
you
huh?
reach there?
Blue Dagger, cheating? Huh? Any cheating happening, Blue Dagger? क्या हो क्या रहा है? Cheating हो रहा है?
Are you supposed to go to that yellow dot that's on your school?
No, lighthouse.
How do you go there?
Why is this tambu not droppable? Huh?
Why is Raven playing with us?
Raven is racing with us to be exact, not playing. So here
Oh,
is
hello.
that place.
Okay, I'm very bad at this.
No.
Okay, I lose the race.
No, you gotta continue the race. I mean till you reach there, it's not over. Hey guys, I'm next to the ocean, I believe. So I think
Yeah, it's in the ocean. That's
there
why
are
it's in the
lighthouse. There are these light poles here, na. They don't fall. I guess I got to take this bridge. Wait, where? Correct. Bridge.
ocean. There's a bridge there, dude.
Yes, I'm already on the
I'm
bridge.
lagging so
I think I'm
much.
winning. I don't even know because I can't see that.
I'm lagging so much right now.
And I'm banging so much right now.
Look at me lagging, huh?
Oh, guys, we are gonna ride a train. I'm kidding. I'm riding my car on the train tracks. I'm so smart, na people.
Oh hell, dude, my car is stuck. I'm so close. I'll just run outside.
No, you can't.
Dude, my car is stuck. I'm so close. Let's look at that.
Then go and get another vehicle.
From where I'm gonna get?
That is your thing to see. You need to get another vehicle. You cannot stay with your stuck car.
Oh hell, you just came.
Aaron,
Aaron, just help me now.
Everything is fair in love and war. And
Aaron,
this
you
is
are a
clearly
cheater.
war. How am I a cheater? You got your car stuck. And first, no wait. Do we have to get to the top.
Aaron, but tell me at least what the hell are you doing?
Well,
Can we? My car's stuck. Can I take another vehicle and come?
your loss. Your loss. How do you get to the top? Yes, here. I'm gonna win.
You
I
win.
think
with
Blue
it.
Dagger is just behind me. Yes, Blue Dagger is just behind me.
Just because my idiotic car stopped, that's why I lost.
I think I'm here. I think I'm here. Is there still a way to the top? I didn't even know this is such a huge.
Yeah, I won.
Who said this is the top?
This is the top, dude.
Okay, so Blue Dagger comes in first place. I'm in second. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, even I am falling.
Just fell straight down.
I literally
Okay.
fell down. Oh.
Okay, now come here and dance with. Oh shit, the zone. Run! Run, bro!
Aaron, that's.
Oh, yes. Come here. Zipline.
Please don't put this on YouTube.
Yes, this is going on YouTube,
No,
Raven.
please don't put this on YouTube. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is not where the game ends.
Aaron, where are you?
There is still the epic battle left, people.
No, I'm not battling.
I'm
Yes,
battling.
yes, no, we still have to fight, okay? So guys, now from here we just continue our
Perfect, let's go. I got a board.
continue our BR.
Let's go, baby.
So guys, keep watching to see who is the real fighter. I mean
Let's
this
go, I got a
Blue
board.
Dagger may have won the race, but can he win the battle?
Listen, where the hell are you?
Yeah, where is Raven? She's not even reached
She's
the
somewhere in Ghaspur area.
name your place. Where are you?
I'm near fracking tower.
Okay, I'm
Freaking
stopping at factory. Because I
Okay,
need some
so Raven, I am just coming to eliminate you.
Listen, where are you? At least open
I'm
up
just
a map.
casually going to
Open up
come
your
to
map.
eliminate you. So
Oh.
guys, currently it's Blue Dagger versus me
Open up your map
versus
now, Kristen.
versus Raven.
Where are you? Come to factory. Come here. Cross this bridge.
Oh,
and come.
all of you are coming to factory. It's time to slaughter.
I am coming there. I'm just helping her.
Okay, so I'm gonna come and slaughter.
Don't you dare come here, Aaron.
I'll come now. What you'll do? Huh? Will you kill me? No, you
Yeah, I
can't.
haven't BY15.
I have got Hatoda.
Toda. Anything, huh?
Oh shit, there's a vehicle here.
And that would be Kristen.
There's a vehicle. Oh, Raven is about to die. Raven, stop moving. Raven, you're just reversing. What is wrong with you?
Kristen is scared.
Mar. Die.
Why am I only finding M4s? I'll pick up an RU as well.
Stop, Raven, stop. I'm coming to kill you.
Kristen, don't stop. I'll kill you now.
Don't stop me now. Oh, Raven's trying to go in circles, huh? Raven, but are you that smart?
No.
Oh shit, I just banged into... Wait, what? I didn't even bang into it. I just softly touched a wall. I think Raven went this way.
How am I finding Kodai?
Raven, could you stop? I don't know where are you. Okay, I don't see any vehicles either. If the zone is this way, Raven is definitely not gone here. Or has she?
Or hash.
Oh, AK, let's go.
You're asking me or you're asking yourself, Raven? Oh man, here come the Ghaspus. I'm in farm.
Hey, Kristen, vehicle is on fire, Aaron.
Oh, I don't see the vehicle by the way. Shit, why are the controls so weird?
I'm gonna die now.
Kristen going towards the zone. Outside the zone, she's going somewhere.
I don't care right now. I really don't because
Because you're gonna die.
I don't want to die.
Blue
You're gonna
dagger.
die there.
Blue Daggery. I mean Daggery.
I am Aram just over here looting everything.
Even I'll go and loot something.
Oh, Mr. Red Dagger.
But this is not the airdrop you think.
I know that.
This is the customized loot airdrop.
Yeah, even I want that. But I'm not coming there.
So, who is the next live on the line? I need to kill somebody, bro. This is gonna be a... Oh, there's a vehicle here! There's a vehicle
That's
here!
Kristen,
It's
because
Raven.
I'm on
It's
sand.
Raven. It has to be... Yeah, Raven, die! Raven, die! Raven, stop moving!
Hell.
She's stuck, right? Yeah, she's stuck. She's stuck. And Raven.
Kristen will die.
Raven! Marna! No. Raven, the zone is that way. Where's Raven? She's not on my mini-map anymore. She's actually nowhere on my screen either. Okay, I believe she escaped me
I know I'm
again.
dead.
But she's gonna die. Oh, she's here. She's here. She's clearly here. This has to be her. Yeah, there she is. She's turn.
This is
Die. No!
Oh
Stop
my
moving! Stop! No, Raven, stop!
What the hell?
Raven!
Okay, your health came back.
No, Raven, I beg of you.
Okay, I got an ATV. I'll get an upgrade and then come with to do all that stupid things with yours.
Why am I lagging? Where the hell
Upgrade
is
terminal in
Raven?
progress.
I want to see where's Raven.
5, 4, 3. I'm just pick.
You're just getting upgraded, huh?
Where the hell I am?
Okay, I'm
I
coming
don't
on
know.
that side to do all those idiotic
Where
things.
is
with yours.
Raven? I'm banging into trees. No, I missed it. No, I banged into a rock.
Oh, muscle car. Let's go.
There's a bridge here.
Oh, and that is
Oh, there's a person behind me. There's a person behind me and in front of me. How many people are there? Oh, there we are. Blue Dagger, we meet again. Blue Dagger, what will you do? If you stop, then you're definitely dead. If you think of stopping, then you're already dead. And if I stop now, then it's only going to be for an airdrop, which I just got off at.
You ain't getting me.
Can I catch up to you backwards? No, I just
Come on,
banged.
Aaron.
I just banged.
Wow, but
You're
Alright,
trying
we
to
saw
fire
this.
a moving car.
Yeah, I'm trying to fire a moving
I want to
car.
find where the hell is Kristen
Yeah,
gone.
where is Raven? Raven तो किधर मर
Raven
गई?
is running somewhere.
Raven तो किधर मर गई? Raven तो किधर मर गई?
Aaron, you are not gonna able to catch me. You ain't catching me,
थोड़ा
dude.
सा डैमेज पड़ा. थोड़ा सा डैमेज.
No, if I go there.
My car is still on 98. And you're saying you damaged my car. Wow.
Yeah, it got damaged. How do you think it came down to 98?
Because I choked it. I banged it into the rock.
Okay, but I got 2-3 bullets.
You
I
are
know
not
this
able
game.
to
Oh
catch
my
me.
god,
dude.
I know where y'all are. Y'all are right next to me. I gotta
He's just trying to catch me and I'm just going in my muscle car so fast. He's
I
not
can
able to
literally
catch me
see,
only.
an egg package is right so close to me. What's your problem, Blue Dagger?
Yeah, Blue Dagger, you're peeking, huh?
Yeah, you're peeking into everyone's phones.
Hi there.
Oh, Aaron, I would have banged into
I
you.
seriously waited for you to approach me.
I should have banged into him.
I'll tell you what. I'll take this new car. Which is here. This is as good as the muscle car.
Enough of the idiotic things. I'm just gonna sit here.
I can
Aram se.
literally see red. Ah,
What happened? Stop screaming, Kristen. Idiot.
Oh, I see Raven. No,
Kill her now.
I don't see Raven. I really thought I could see her.
वो हॉल का बड़ा है मैं एक खा
Oh, who's here?
Okay,
Raven.
that is not
Raven. No, there's a big bloody rock.
and I can literally see both of y'all or
Yeah, पड़ रही है हम.
yeah I can see
lagging.
the
Kristen's
zone is
car
becoming so
Raven.
Ah,
Raven.
and I'm too coming
Raven.
no.
Raven.
No.
Oh, very good, Raven. Raven, very good. Raven, very good.
oh no
Raven, your car's on fire. Raven, your car was about to blow. Raven's about to die now. No, Raven is definitely going to die.
who's it?
yeah Kristen was just behind me
Damn it, my car is stuck. That's all I can say. Damn it, my car is stuck.
do I see Mr. Aaron here
No, you don't.
I did see you dude you are just going for the drop
Who said?
Where did I? Oh, there he is. Below.
I'm lagging. I've never lagged
I
like
can
this
see
in
all
my
the
entire.
cars that I have destroyed and I've kept here.
Go ahead.
Oh, I can see Aaron's car is stuck over here. Mustang.
How?
Yes, I didn't go low at all.
How did you go low?
Shit, Christian is here, huh?
How did you go low, dude?
I went a little low. See till my this went low.
How much you have that health? How did my health go then?
Christian, I know you're here. Christian, I know you're
Don't
here.
do that. You switch to the back. What I told you.
Paparazzi.
Damn, you're recording.
This is going on YouTube, people.
No, hey, Aaron, no. Aaron, no.
No.
Why do you all play like this?
Now we are
Okay, so
playing
guys,
on
No,
like
we are
and
playing on
private.
multiplayer.
Guys,
We are not good. At least I am
Okay.
not good. I'm talking
Okay, guys, now these two will continue fighting. So just like and
Against
subscribe,
you.
and I'll see you all in the next video. Tab tak
Come.
ke liye bye.